Hello everyone. Welcome guys in my YouTube channel. Let's start. MSW course is a 2-year postgraduate course in the online mode. It deals with the development of social work in India, social science concept, mathematics, computer organizations, programming language extra. The student get to work in various NGOs and organizations working for the betterment of society. Students have the opportunity to get their degrees from foreign universities in the online format. Various online programs in MSW are available from American, European universities. What is MSW Online? Master of Social Work Online is a social science course that includes the study of huge resources to solve the problems of society. It is post-graduation course is the field of social work that is usually 2-year duration. The main objective of this course is to bring social change, development, and unities, enhance the comfort of people. Candidates can press Master of Social Work online program in various specialized fields such as childhood medicine, research. There are many jobs options such as social service, social policy, clinical social work, and more. What is social work? Social work practice involves an understanding of human development, behavior, and social, economic, and cultural institution and interaction. It is known to be practice-oriented profession that brings social change, development, and the empowering of individual and communities. Its main objective is to improve a society overall well-being, especially for them vulnerable peoples. See also MSW syllabus. Why study MS online? The field of social work. Why study MSW online? The field of social work is expanding rapidly. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, demand for social worker will increase by 16% by which is faster than for other occupations. Social work graduate can work in a variety of fields either for government and state institution or for private organization. The range of opportunities and jobs for social worker is diverse. As a social worker, you can solve a specific problem and help other, and there is chance you might make a difference in someone else's life. If you follow MSW, you will get growth potential, especially continue your education and earn an MSW degree. Social work considered one of the important study and professional fields. By studying social work from abroad, students get to know different approaches to measure social problem and gain valuable practical experience. See also MSW is about MSW admission process. MSW online program offer a variety of student enrollment option: part-time, full-time, advanced studying, trading, traditional studying. Students who have not completed a BSW typically enroll in traditional permanent program to earn their Master of Social Work. Some graduate schools offer an online Master of Social Work program that waivs the first year classes for those students who earned a Bachelor of Social Work from a CSW accrediting undergraduate program. Thank you so much, guys.